Hey folks, still a warm evening across the valley. Temperatures hovering in the upper 80s in most areas, 87 in Rio Grande City. But as you get to the coast, it's a little cooler, 84 in Port Isabel. Brownsville underneath there is 83 degrees, so it's a warm and pretty muggy night across the valley. The satellite shows there's been very little cloud cover today. For the most part, sky was blue, patchy clouds moving over, but that's about it. So let's see what Future Track suggests for the weekend, because it is the weekend. And tomorrow looks like a dry day, even though it did show a brief shower try to pop up. I think that's just the sea breeze activating, but probably doesn't have enough moisture to actually produce a shower, just a thin line of clouds. Still a hot day. Go to Sunday, same kind of thing. A lot of sunshine during the daytime. We try to pick up a brief shower again, but it's probably not going to happen. By Monday, though, look at the moisture thickening up. There's more of it, so our chance of rain goes up a little bit on Monday. Not dramatically, but probably enough moisture for an isolated shower or two. Hopefully after 1 o'clock, and that's when it's more likely to happen, probably after we see the fullest part of the eclipse, which happens at about 1:14 Monday afternoon at about 50%. So we're dry Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday we go to mainly dry, so about a 5 to 10% chance of something popping up. High temperature wise, the norm is 97. We'll be above that, 99, 99, and 98. The records are well above that. We shouldn't get close to the records the next few days. Harvey's getting a little more interesting tonight. Tropical storm Harvey not getting any stronger, but the path of this, the model's beginning to kind of change their thinking just a little bit, if models could think. 13.7 and 64.1 the latest coordinates. Winds are still 40. That hasn't changed, but watch this forecast path. Keeps it down close to Central America, but right now the models are taking it just north of Central America instead of burying it down here. After that, it goes across the Yucatan Peninsula, and by about Wednesday, Thursday of next week, it reemerges into the Bay of Campeche. That means we got to pay attention to this a little more closely, because there's potential for it to send some moisture our way at the very least. So it's something we'll watch as we get into the early part of next week. We'll look at the other systems in the Atlantic in the next half hour. In the meantime, in the morning at the beach, 87 to start the day. Southeasterly winds turning around to the east for most of the day. UV's extreme, rip current risk is moderate. The surf temperature is still at 80. Here are the tides. There are 2, 427 in the morning, 759 tomorrow night. The bay temperature still at 85 degrees. So 78 tonight, mainly clear. Then tomorrow back up to 99. Western part of the valley probably touching 100 again. We actually take temperatures down a little bit as we go through the forecast period. First time in a while we've not seen a 100 on there. First time in a while the numbers have trended downward because of the increased moisture and the chance for a few showers by the end of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. What's up, Joel?